Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify rental price after renovations with Rentometer. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify rental prices after renovations using Rentometer, start by opening your navigate to the Rentometer website. Once on the home page, locate the search bar at the top. Enter the address of the rental property you want to verify. Specify the rent amount you intend to charge after renovations. Select the property type from the drop-down menu. Choose the number of bedrooms in the unit. Click on the Analyze Rent button to proceed. Review the results displayed on the next page. Here, you'll see a comparison of your proposed rent with similar properties in the area. Examine the median rent data provided for different property types. Pay attention to the highlighted areas that show how your rent stacks up against local averages. Consider the renovation factors by checking the adjustment options if needed. If your renovations make the property unique, adjust the pricing accordingly based on the analysis. Take notes of any key points or trends presented in the Rentometer report. Use this information to make informed decisions about your rental pricing strategy. Once you have your insights, review them to ensure they align with your expectations. This process helps confirm whether your new rental price is competitive in the current market. Finish by assessing if any further changes or re-evaluations are needed before listing your property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.